Hello, in front of me I've got Motorola Moto X40. In this video I'll show you how to find and manage display settings. In the beginning, let's go to Settings and enter Display. Right here we've got all settings for our display. Let's start with the top of the list where you can change display level, brightness level, manually or via adaptive brightness. Next we can change lock screen preferences like notification style, privacy on lock screen, skip lock screen, add text on lock screen, show wallet, show device controls, control from lock device and double line clock. Next we can change screen timeout between 15 seconds and 30 minutes. Then we can enable or disable dark theme, display size and text that we can change, and enable bold text and high contrast text. Next, we can enable or disable night light and also schedule it and adjust it. Then we can change colors mode between natural and saturated, and also we can change color temperature. Then we can enable or disable flicker prevention, auto rotate screen, enable full screen mode for apps, set screensaver, enable or disable attentive display, display refresh rate between auto, 60 Hz, 120 Hz and 164 Hz, 65 Hz. Then we can enable or disable peak display, 3-finger screenshot, edge lights, swipe to split, ready for and screen record function. And that's basically it. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.